Right now, anyone including you can start a YouTube channel and hit your first 100,000 subscribers faster than ever before. I know this because I've been doing it myself for 5 years and I've launched, grown, and sold dozens of faceless YouTube channels, and in this video, I'm going to share everything I know. The biggest game changer has been the boom of AI. It has finally reached a point where there are so many tools you are bound to find the perfect one for your needs. It can basically handle almost everything for you, and I'm not talking in a few months. This is happening right now. Like, think about it for a second. Just a few years ago, if you wanted to start a brand new YouTube channel, you needed to learn video editing, thumbnail design, script writing, voice recording, the list goes on, right? And most couldn't learn it because, let's be real, video editing or writing great scripts isn't essentially something you can pick up overnight. This was the reason why tons of people who started their channels with really high hopes got instantly overwhelmed and just quit. And yeah, you could outsource these services to freelancers, which is still a great option, but the truth is, you'd still need to invest a couple hundred to maybe a few $1,000s. And with AI helping with scripts and voiceovers, you have more flexibility in how you want to build your production process. You've got screenwriting tools that help you with the hardest part, the writing. I'm talking hooks, retention elements, the whole thing. You've got AI generated thumbnail tools that help you create professional designs in just seconds, and the foundation is all there now. But here's where it gets crazy. Your voiceover, there are AI voice clones that sound so realistic you genuinely can't tell the difference. Now, let me break down the exact tools that are changing the game, because there are a lot of them out there, but not all of them actually work for YouTube creators or faceless YouTube channels. For scripts, I'm talking about tools like Claude and Poppy AI, but here's the thing, you cannot just say, hey, write me a YouTube script. You need to give it the right prompt and, more importantly, the right context. I tell it exactly what hook style to use, what retention techniques to include, and even what tone to write in, and this is very important. For voiceovers, tools like 11 Labs are insanely powerful. You can clone your own voice with 30 seconds of audio, or even choose out of thousands of professional voices already available on there. The quality is so good now that most people won't even be able to tell that it's AI. For thumbnails, Midjourney and DALL-E are amazing options creating professional design concepts, which you can polish with some basic Canva skills. For video editing though, you'll still need to learn those skills yourself or work with a very good editor, because the crazy part is all these tools combined are more cost effective than traditional methods when you're starting out. And don't get me wrong, freelancers are still great, and eventually you want to be building a team or even multiple to scale, but AI just gives you more options. You can either learn to do things yourself with AI assistant to get started, or work with more freelancers to be more efficient. So AI tools are great and they make our lives easier, but there is still a huge issue, and that is why I see most creators who try using AI fail. Most people still don't know how to use these tools properly, and I'll talk more about that in just a second. But first, let me tell you another reason why blowing up on YouTube is easier than ever right now. For the first time ever, we have actual proven playbooks that work. You know, back in the day, growing on YouTube was basically like throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping that something will stick. You had to figure out everything through trial and error, and most people never made it past 1,000 subscribers before because they had no clue what they were doing. But now, the playbook is out there. We know exactly what type of content performs well. We know the hook formulas that get people to click and stick. We know the retention strategies that keep people watching. And YouTube's recent Culture and Trends report has literally given us the cheat sheet to what actually works. The CEO of YouTube, Neil Mohan, said in an interview that YouTube's algorithm suggests content based on the interest of the viewers. So this means that if you identify the right interest of your audience and tap into that niche, fill the void, create valuable content, YouTube will have no choice but to push your content to these viewers. But that's just one example. Take faceless channels as another one. There are virtually thousands of templates you can follow. You can see a faceless channel in any niche, analyze exactly what they're doing, and basically copy and paste their entire strategy with your own twist. And here's the best part, the strategies that only the top 1% of creators knew, they're literally sharing them in detailed tutorials right now. Honestly, I wish I had access to this information when I first got started. But now you might be thinking, wait a minute, Raz, if all this information is more accessible than ever, why isn't every creator getting hundreds of thousands of views and subscribers? Well, there's a very simple explanation behind it. Maybe you've watched YouTube tutorials for months and never uploaded anything. Maybe you started editing a video but gave up halfway through. Or maybe you think you need to be naturally charismatic or go viral by accident. And if that sounds like you, you're exactly who this is for. Here's the thing that most people don't get. The barrier to entry entry is lower than ever before. And that's exactly the opportunity that we're talking about here. It's not about knowing how to edit or not having good equipment. The biggest barrier is mindset. Most people are still stuck in the old mindset where they think YouTube success is some kind of lottery. They think you need to be charismatic or you need to go viral by accident or have some sort of special niche. That's completely wrong, because trust me, you don't have to be Mr. Beast or Kai Cenat to blow up on YouTube. YouTube success in 2025, it's a system. It's like following a recipe. You follow step A, then step B, then step C, and if you do it right, you can get predictable results. And of course, these results aren't guaranteed, just like everything else in life, but taking the first step is what differentiates a channel that has the potential to blow up and a channel that won't upload a single video. And look, people naturally get overwhelmed by all the possibilities. They see these AI tools and they think, I don't know which one to use. They see all these strategies and I think, I don't know where to start. So either they never start or they start and give up after 2 weeks because they don't see immediate results. And that brings me to the 5 biggest mistakes I see beginners make. I'll break this down for you because if you are able to avoid these, you can already be ahead of 90% of your competition. Mistake number 1, they'll try to learn everything before they start. They'll spend 3 months watching tutorials instead of just uploading their first video. You learn by doing, not by watching. Mistake number 2, they pick competitive niches without understanding the game. They'll try to start a gaming channel competing with PewDiePie instead of finding a sub niche that's actually growing. Mistake number 3, they focus on subscriber count instead of revenue. I've seen channels with 10,000 subscribers make significantly more money than channels with 100,000 subscribers because they understand all the different ways in which you can monetize YouTube content. Mistake number 4, they give up after the first few videos don't blow up. They expect every video to get 1 million views or 100,000 views immediately, and that's simply not how it works. Even Mr. Beast had videos that flopped, not 1, not 2, but he had that for years. Mistake number 5, they try to do everything themselves instead of using the right tools and systems that are readily available. And this is the biggest one because they're trying to do everything themselves. Writing, designing, recording, when they could either use AI to speed up these processes or delegate the work to freelancers. But look, that's actually great news for everyone who's willing to think differently. Because while everyone else is overthinking it, you can be taking action. And right now, the competition is actually lower than it's ever been in years. And let me tell you what I mean. You see, most of the OG creators are stuck doing things the old way. They're spending hours writing scripts from scratch, designing thumbnails manually, and recording multiple voiceover takes when AI could very easily handle those tasks much more efficiently, much faster, and for a much better cost. They're trying to be perfectionists instead of just getting content out there consistently. And most new creators, they're paralyzed by choice. They're spending months learning instead of just starting. But if you combine the new AI tools with proven strategies, you can outperform both groups. You can create content faster than the old school creators, and you can actually execute while the new creators are still planning. Let me show you a real example from one of my own Faceless channels that I scaled from $0 to $17,000 per month in just 8 months last year. So look, in 2024, the single Faceless channel generated $92,336, and I did this while only working a couple hours per week on the channel, and we even had a record month right here where we made $17,245 in October, and I remember I was literally in vacation that entire month. But here's what's crazy, it's not just my channel seeing this type of success. New Faceless channels are absolutely crushing it right now. Take this channel for example, created in May 2025 called Old Wise, that uploaded a video that got over 91,000 views in just 3 weeks. And this might not sound impressive to you, but back in the day, you need to have a big established channel to get that kind of reach that fast. And this is why Faceless channels are absolutely dominating right now. You can start today, model what's already working, and potentially see results within your first few videos. You don't need to show your face, you don't need to be on camera, and you do not need to have the perfect speaking skills. Because right now, AI can handle the majority of the work for you. Now look, this opportunity is not gonna last forever, and I mean that seriously. Every time there's a major shift, whether it's in the early days of YouTube, the beginning of TikTok, or when Instagram Reels was first launched, there's always this golden window where it's easy to grow. But what happens eventually is that window closes and the people who jump in the opportunity early start dominating. Right now, we are in the golden window of AI-powered content creation. The tools are good enough to create professional content, but not everyone knows how to use them just yet. The competition is still relatively low, but it's growing every single day. And the biggest benefit right now is that YouTube's algorithm is rewarding rewarding consistent uploaders more than ever. If you can just use AI to pump out high quality content on a regular schedule, you are gonna get massive reach. But of course, as more people figure this out, it's gonna get harder and harder. The competition is gonna increase, YouTube might change how it treats AI content, or the tools might become more expensive or not as easily accessible. Now, let me talk about something most people don't understand, which is the money side of things. Because of course, getting views is cool and you can show it to your friends, but how do you actually turn views into money? The beautiful thing about faceless channels is that AdSense absolutely crushes for this type of content, which is perfect because you don't need to show your face or build a personal brand. Now, if you do want to expand into other monetization methods like affiliate marketing, sponsor content, or even maybe selling your own product, you can always transition to a branded channel or even a personal brand later on. But with faceless channels, AdSense is where the real money is, and especially at the start, because I'm seeing creators making $20,000 a month with sometimes less than 10,000 subscribers because they understand the faceless YouTube game. It's really not about how many subscribers you have, but simply how many views your videos can generate. And for example, I made over $100,000 on my vintage vehicle channel with just 30,000 subscribers. Like, think about that for a second. You don't need hundreds of thousands of subscribers or millions of subscribers to generate serious money. Now look, I've been in this game for 5 years now, and I've seen these windows open and close, and the people who take action during the window, they're the ones who are building life-changing businesses. The people who wait, they're stuck watching from the sidelines. So what does this mean for you specifically? It means you need to stop planning and start doing. And here's exactly what I would do if I was starting from complete scratch today. First, pick a niche you have some knowledge about. It doesn't matter if you're an expert in that niche or not. There are successful channels in every topic nowadays, so let your imagination free. All you have to do though is to find a niche that you're knowledgeable about, and that's your competitive advantage. But here's the key. I don't want you to just pick any niche. Go to YouTube, search for topics that you already have a competitive advantage in, and that could be anything. And I want you to look at the view counts. If videos are getting good views, but there aren't a million channels doing the same exact thing, that's your sweet spot. Choose that niche. Second, find 3 to 5 successful channels in the niche and study their most popular videos. Look at their titles, look at their scripts, look at their video structure, because this is basically your playbook. And don't just look at what they are doing, but also look at what they're not doing as well, and look for gaps that you can fill with your own channel and your own content. What questions are people asking in the comments not being answered? Make those videos. And then this is where it gets fun. Use AI to create your first 10 video scripts. Don't overthink it, just get them done. You can always improve as you go. First, you want to get going, and then you want to get good, right? So here's exactly how I would do it. I give the AI tool 3 successful video titles from my competitors and tell it to create something similar but unique, and then I give it specific instructions, as I said earlier: hook style, retention techniques, tone of voice, and call to action format. It's that simple. Fourth, set up your AI voice and basic editing workflow. There are tutorials for all of this stuff, and it only takes a couple of days to learn. The key here is to create a system where you can go from script to finished video in an efficient manner. You'll still need good video editing skills or a reliable video editor, but the script and voiceover parts can be handled much faster with the help of AI. And lastly, probably the hardest part, commit to uploading consistently. Even if it's just a week, consistency beats perfection every single time. Because here's what I learned. It's better to upload one video every single week, but you do it consistently week after week for a year, than to upload a perfect video that you think is good every month. Volume negates luck, so don't wait until you have everything figured out, because the truth is nobody ever has it all figured out. The people who succeed are the ones who start before they feel ready. But here's what I want you to understand. The biggest mistake I see people make is thinking they need to be perfect from day one. They think that their first video needs to get 500,000 views or 1,000,000 views, or like their thumbnails need to be perfect and look like Mr. Beast, and their content needs to be absolutely perfect and dialed in. That's just not how it works. It took me 107 video on my very first channel that was faceless before it took off. I was posting daily, so that was 4 to 5 months of consistent work, but every video teaches you something. Every video can make you a little bit better. Every video is practice for the next one. So the difference between the people who succeed and the people who don't, it's not talent, it's not luck, it's just taking action and staying consistent. And here's the part that most people don't realize. Every successful creator started with 0 subscribers, 0 views, and probably very low confidence. The difference is that they started anyway. So if you're interested in starting a channel yourself, you might check out the video right here.